Hi, welcome back to another new tutorial, and today I will show you how to add glow on your skin using one tool only. So guys, if you are new into my channel, please just do subscribe and press the bell icon for more update about photography and photo editing related tutorial. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open Photoshop and then open the photo which you want to add glow. I want to add glow on this photos on this subject skin. Guys, you can see this photo light is very low, and also the subject face light is also low. So let's see the process. Go to this icon and then go to the curves and increase the light, and then click the curves layer. Click 2 times on the curves layer and then open this menu, and down of this menu you can see under layering layer, and then you click the black icon and then sweep it, and after that, and you can see this light option, and then press the alt and press the mouse pointer, and then press the mouse pointer and swipe it. Okay, and then go click the white icon and press Ctrl I, and then go to the brush tool and make sure the foreground color is white, and increase the brush size and zoom the subject and simply paint here. And make sure the brush tool option brush is selected, the first icon, and simply paint here. And again, and now we need to glow the other side of this face. That's why go to this tool and again click the curves and again increase the light, and again click the 2 times of the curves layer and swipe it, and now press alt key and swipe it the mouse pointer, and now click white icon and Ctrl I, and then select the brush tool, zoom it, and simply paint here. Okay, and now decrease the opacity of curves layer. And guys, you can see the before and after. You can see the before and after. That is before and that's after. You can notice the glow, face glow. Okay, you can see the before and after, and you can see the changes. Okay, that is the process of add the glow. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe this channel for more update about photography and photo editing related tutorial. So no more today. See the next tutorial.